So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to remove a card on DoorDash. So first of all, go to DoorDash and you can then look at the bottom of the page by seeing the sections Home, Pickup, Grocery, Browse, and Me. Go ahead and click on Me. Through here you can see Orders, Try Dash Pass, Settings, Profile, as well as Rewards. So click on Settings. And from here you can see your profile, payment, saved stores, my rewards, get help, gift card, account settings, and some other options as well. Click on payment. From the payment page, you can see credit or debit card, PayPal, Cash App Pay, and Klarna. Click on credit/debit. And through here, you will see the card number once you've added and so on, so you can save it. And after you've saved it, it's going to be listed as one of your cards. From here, once you add your card, you will see your card's information, and next to it, you will see the 3 dots. This is the same with any payment method, as well as PayPal, Cash App, and Klarna. And you click on that 3 dots or those 3 dots, and from there, you can remove that card or some other payment method. Just make sure that you can add some other payment method or that you don't intend on buying anything soon, since you're going to be adding a different card or different payment method from which you can use to buy stuff on DoorDash. So that's about it. Just go to credit and debit card, and next to it, click on remove once you click on the more actions button. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on DoorDash or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.